Do you want to lose 50 pounds in 5 months? Hi guys, we're making this video to really inspire everyone with the Keto-LCIF diet. Actually, to date, I've already lost 50 pounds at that. So I started last year, July 1, 2019 at 85.7. So now, nasa 62 na ako. But like 2 months ago, I was already 56 kilos. But then, of course, quarantine life. So it's really difficult to maintain now. This is a challenge actually now. But still, 50 pounds is 50 pounds. So if you want to know how we're able to lose weight, keep on watching. Sisingit ko lang yung mga videos namin before kung gaano kami kalaki ng asawa ko. I am not just the one who's doing the Keto-LCIF diet but also my husband. But then, siya more on diet lang siya because he does not do fasting at all. So, ito yung mga old photos namin, yung before and yung ngayon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, paano ba kami nagsimula sa Keto-LCIF diet? First and foremost, you really need to do your research. Si Dr. Eric Berg ng YouTube is my go-to person when it comes to keto knowledge and the science behind it. So, siya talaga yung nakapag-convince sa akin na magsimula sa lifestyle na to. Second, know your why. Bakit mo ba kailangan mag-diet? Bakit mo kailangan mag-lose ng weight? Bakit mo kailangan mag-change ng lifestyle? Kami, we decided to really change our lifestyle for health reason. This month, last year, yun yung time when my father-in-law was in the ICU. That's when we realized that we really need to take care of our health. So we started right away the keto lifestyle. So we went cold turkey on this. Yun yung time na tinapon agad ng asawa ko yung rice cooker namin nung nalaman niyang ubos na yung rice namin para wala talagang temptasyon when it comes to rice kasi nga rice eater kami. So, yun, diniretso na talaga namin and we never look back. So, yung first 3 months talaga ang very important months sa lifestyle na to kasi yun yung time na madaming temptasyon, yun yung time na kailangan mo talagang magiging porsigido, magiging disciplined at mag-persevere sa diet na to kasi hindi siya madali. So, thirdly, you decide if you're gonna go for strict keto, dirty keto, or lazy keto at that. There are a lot of information out there about this diet. So, you just have to Google it or watch Dr. Eric Berg's videos on YouTube. Because from there, if say you're gonna do strict keto, so I suggest that you download this app, which is known as the Carb Manager app. So you can just find it on Android or on iOS. So there, this app has really helped me with my first month of strict keto diet. So I really jot down everything there. It will tell you kung ilan pang carbs ang kailangan mo for the day. It will also track your calorie intake for that day. So this has really been a big help to me because it will say kung dapat ba limit ka lang sa carb na to or sa food na to or dapat ba iwasan mo tong food na to kasi hindi siya acceptable sa keto diet. So that's where I really started with this journey. I jot down everything by using the Carb Manager app. The fourth thing to do is to be part of Facebook groups because they will be your source of inspiration and motivation. Seeing all those transformation sa mga members will truly inspire you to persevere in this diet. For us Filipinos, we can recommend the Facebook group KIFI. It's Keto and Intermittent Fasting International on Facebook. So you can learn from there. They have the unit tab which will truly help you how to start with this diet, kung ano yung mga dapat kainin, ano yung hindi dapat. So, nandun lahat. So, basa-basa lang doon. So, yun yung isa sana katulong sa akin at first. And then, may maraming photos doon about the transformation of its members and photos on what to cook or what food to eat. And the second group that has also helped us is the LCIF group by Dave Aguila. So, ang mga tao dito are not really doing strict keto but low carb diet. Nakakatulong pa din siya kasi magkakaroon ka pa din ng idea kung ano ba yung mga low carb food na pwedeng kainin. And mas nakaka-inspire din yung mga transformation talaga ng mga members there. So you can join these groups and see how they could be of help to you kasi sobrang laking tulong talaga ng grupong ito sa journey namin. Fifth thing, have an accountability partner. Sobrang laking tulong ng asawa ko sa journey na to kasi siya yung katuwang ko sa pagluluto, katuwang ko sa pamamalengke, katuwang ko sa pagsisita kung may mga times na gusto kong madapa. Ginusto ko talaga ang pagdapa, diba? Kasi nandyan naman talaga yung temptation, yung mga food temptation at that. So, kailangan mo talaga ng tulong from someone who's also doing the same thing. So, yan. Yun lang muna yung 5 tips natin on how to start this lifestyle. And if you want to know more about this diet, subscribe to our channel and we'll make sure that we're gonna document everything. Kasi nga, kailangan na naman ulit mag-diet due to the quarantine life. Well, it's not yet too late to start again. So we want you guys to be part of this starting over again journey and see if we can truly hit our goal weight. So what are you waiting for? Start now. And this is Geri saying, fighting para sa goal weight. See you!